I'm assuming that I put it on wrong.
No, you did good. It looks really good. Hello, welcome back to Some More Home in our Valentine's Day series. Today we are making a lip gloss, and today I have a special helper, my daughter.
Hi, I'm Elena, and I will be helping my mother.
Yay! Okay, we're so excited, and I'm glad that she's helping, so you can really see how simple this lip gloss is to make. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this lip gloss are coconut oil, argan oil, glycerin, beeswax, jojoba oil, and then we're also adding in some mica powder, and then if you would like, you can add in some peppermint essential oil.
Yeah, because peppermint will help with crusty lips.
It will help with crusty lips. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, now we pre-measure the beeswax, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil.
Yeah, so we pre-measured our oils, and now we're just going to add them to our beaker.
Okay, now we're first going to start with the beeswax. And we go. Okay, the vitamin E oil. Now we have the coconut oil. Looks weird. I don't like it. This is cool making it though.
So now we have our saucepan with water simmering, and Elena is going to put the beaker onto the saucepan. Very good. Our mixture is now fully melted, and we have to work kind of fast before it's, starts to thicken up on us. So we're going to put it in the ice bath and whisk it up until it's opaque in color. So I am taking it in and out, whisking it as I'm going in and out, and it's starting to thicken up. We got a little bit more to go. Okay, so this is where we are now. So at this point, we're going to add in our glycerin, and then you can also add in if you would like to add in your peppermint essential oils and your mica. I'm going to just add in glycerin. Make sure to mix really well. Make sure to mix well. Elena wanted to have a blue lip gloss, so we're going to just add some blue mica powder. Mix. Well, that's pretty. It is now good to go. It is the texture that we want, the consistency. So I'm going to use a syringe to then put it inside of my lip gloss container. Wait. Okay.
God, yeah. Oh no. Now we are putting it on our lips. Ooh.
That one smells really good.
Yep. Perfect. I'm assuming that I put it on wrong.
No, you did good. It looks really good. Ah! So that's how you make your own lip gloss.
Yeah!
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
And until next time, happy crafting.
Bye!